The Secret of the Valley of the Wind. One day, Lena and her loyal friend, the fairy Luna, decided to go on a journey in search of a new adventure. Their destination is a beautiful place called the Wind Valley. This valley, with vast green grasslands and gentle breezes, has a mysterious legend that has been handed down since ancient times. According to legend, a spirit of the wind lives in the center of the Valley of the Wind, and it is said that it gives special power to those who are touched by him. However, it seems that the spirit of the wind appears only to those who have true courage and a pure heart. Lena and Luna faced numerous trials on their way to the valley. First, they stepped into the Forest of Lost. The forest was famous for wandering those who had no eye to see through the truth forever. However, Lena believed in her own heart and found the way with Luna's help. Next, they met the Stone Guardian. He said, "Defeat me and prove your true heart. However, we need not only strength, but also compassion." Instead of attacking him with force, Lena was able to overcome the ordeal by understanding and empathizing with his past. Finally arriving at the Valley of the Wind, the two stood in front of an old stone altar in the center of the valley. The wind blew, and I heard a voice in the silence. "Those who have overcome trials, what do you want?" Lena said what she thought from the bottom of her heart. "I want the power to protect my friends and colleagues. And I want to use that power to help others." At that moment, light was emitted from the altar, and the spirit of the wind appeared. "You who have a true heart, I will give you that power." The spirit of the wind gave her a special power of wind. Lena and Luna gained new power and embarked on a journey to help others while continuing their adventure. The experience in the Valley of the Wind deepened their bond and gave them the courage to go on their future adventures.